Hey everybody, this is a bonus video. So in the beginning of the fetal pig dissection, we talked about the trachea, right? And I told you I'd try and see if I could cut this thing open. It is extremely difficult to do one-handed. So I'm just gonna hold this in. I'm gonna set the phone down for a second. Cut it open, I'll bring you back. So just stay tuned, hold on. Prop you open. Yay, phone! Okay, use my other glove. I'll try and narrate what I'm happening here. I used a piece of my other glove to pick this thing up, and now I'm going through and cutting it open. Ooh, I may heard a noise. Okay, let's see what happens as we're cutting this thing apart, trying to get in there and see the vocal cords for the pig. Oh my goodness, what is that? It's startling. I think it's an alien. It's popping up. Oh no, my goodness, it's starting to burst out of this trachea. That seems dangerous. No, get back, aliens. No, we already have enough things going on with that, because the world's crazy. This is recorded on 3/18, by the way. No, you won't see this until a little later on. So, who knows? Hopefully the Death Star hasn't arrived. So, in terms of insanity. But, you know, the moments are there. Come on, now cut. I've almost got this open, everybody. It's almost here. We can hopefully look inside and see vocal cords. Can we? Oh, the aliens are gone. They weren't real. So I realized I didn't expand upon that. I was just messing around. Okay, let me see. This thing's cool looking. The larynx is pretty neat. If you ever do a tracheotomy, that's where you've made a hole in the trachea to help allow air to get through. Because at that point, it was struggling to get air in. Ooh, snap. I just heard something pop. Was it me? Nope. Okay. So this is the inside of this thing. I told you I wasn't going to let you down. So there it is. And so these little flaps here, use the scissors. Those flaps. Ignore the piece of hair. I don't know where that came from. It's not mine. My hair's short. I think it's somebody's hair. I don't know where that came from. It's slightly unnerving. But that's the vocal cord. If you're curious, I think I said something about doing something else, but I don't remember. I'm sorry. But that's it for the pigs. Say peace out, Wilbur Jr. Peace. Sayonara, says little T. Happy for the contributions. Thank you, fetal pigs, for your work. Hope you enjoy the videos. See you.